Hi friends, happy Monday. Welcome back to our Phonemic Awareness lesson for today. Today for Phonemic Awareness, you will need your I Can Read Words activity sheet and a pencil. You can also go ahead and grab a box of crayons if you would like to color your pictures when we are finished with our lesson. Go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. Let's take a look at our learning target for today. Our learning target says, I can name and read the word that matches the picture. So we're going to look at different pictures, and underneath the pictures, there are going to be two words. Let's count. 1, 2. We have to decide which word matches the picture. Now, I've put a really tricky example up here. The ones on your sheet are not going to be as tricky, but they do have some of the same letters in each word that might trick our brains a little bit. So it's very important that we're looking at each letter and thinking about the sounds that they make. We'll probably be using our blending arm as a strategy to help us stretch out the words too. So let's take a look at this picture. This is a picture of a pen that I drew, a pen. This is a pen that you write with, okay? So the first word that we have is pin. The second word we have is pen, pen. They're very similar. Pin, pen. Okay? Now, when we're using a pen that we write with, that is a pen with an eh sound. Which of these two words have the eh sound? Tell my finger to stop when I touch the word with the eh sound. Stop. Very good. So, pen, P-E-N, matches the picture, not P-I-N. This kind of a pin is like a safety pin. If you get a hole in your shirt, you might need a safety pin to keep it together. So let's take a look at our activity sheet. First, let's name our pictures from left to right and top to bottom. I want you to touch yours as we go. Ready? We have fan, jet, 6, web, pot, bat, bug, jam, tub. Okay, now look at each of your words underneath. Notice a lot of them start with the same letter in each word, so you're going to have to stretch out the sounds of each letter in the word. So let's look at the first one together. We have fan. And let's stretch it out. And what is the first letter? F. F says f. What vowel do you hear? A. Oh, I hear A. A. N. What is our last sound you hear? N. So we're going to look for the letters F-A-N on our paper. F-A-N. So this is where we're going to use our pencil to circle in case we need to erase so we don't have marks all over our paper. So in our picture, we have fan. Now we just stretched out fan. And we see fan is F-A-N. So is my first word the match? F-A-T. Oh, no, that doesn't match. Is the second word F-A-N? Yes. So I'm going to circle it. Okay. Let's do one more as practice together. We have a jet. Jet. Let's stretch out the word jet together. Ready? We have j, at, jet. J. What letter says j? J. So check your paper. Yep, both words start with J. Okay. J. What letter says eh? E. Check your paper. Oh, we have a word that has an E in the middle. Okay. J, t, t. What's our last sound? T. What letter says t? T. Do we have a word that's spelled J-E-T under the jet? The first one. Good. So we're going to circle jet. Okay? Go ahead and complete the rest on your own. If you need to rewind to remind you of what the picture is, go ahead and do that. Make sure to do these on your own. This is good skill practice for you as a reader. If mom and dad or grandma and grandpa are doing it for you, then your brain's not going to learn it, right? So you need to do it on your own and then show your teacher what you know. So when you're finished, post this to your teacher's Google Classroom. Great job today, friends. I will see you tomorrow for your next Phonemic Awareness lesson.